For men over 50, maintaining optimal health and vitality often involves focusing on diet and exercise, but one crucial element is frequently overlooked: proper hydration. Water is not just a thirst quencher, it's the fundamental building block for nearly every bodily function, especially as we age. Our bodies are composed of approximately 60% water, and this percentage is vital for everything from cellular health to organ function. Adequate hydration ensures efficient blood flow, delivering essential nutrients and oxygen to every part of your body, including your brain and muscles. Without enough water, blood can thicken, making the heart work harder and potentially leading to fatigue and reduced cognitive function. Proper hydration is key to maintaining energy levels throughout the day, helping you feel more vibrant and less prone to afternoon slumps. It also plays a critical role in cognitive function, supporting memory, focus, and overall mental clarity, which can naturally decline with age. For joint health, water acts as a lubricant, helping to cushion joints and reduce friction, which is particularly beneficial for active men. Furthermore, hydration aids in digestion and nutrient absorption, ensuring your body effectively processes food and utilizes its beneficial compounds. One often overlooked benefit for men over 50 is water's impact on hormone balance. Dehydration can stress the adrenal glands, which are responsible for producing many hormones, including cortisol, the stress hormone. Maintaining proper hydration helps these glands function optimally, supporting a healthier hormonal profile. Crucially, hydration is also linked to prostate health. Water helps flush out toxins and waste products from the urinary tract, reducing the risk of urinary tract infections. It can also help prevent the formation of kidney stones, a common concern that can be exacerbated by chronic dehydration. So, how much water should you be drinking? A general guideline is around 8 8-ounce glasses per day, but individual needs vary based on activity level and climate. Listen to your body. Thirst is a clear indicator, but don't wait until you're parched. Timing your water intake is also important. Start your day with a glass of water to rehydrate after sleep. Distribute your intake throughout the day rather than trying to consume large amounts all at once. When you drink, focus on sipping water slowly instead of gulping it down. Sipping allows your body to absorb the water more effectively, preventing it from simply passing through your system too quickly. Beyond plain water, you can also hydrate through water-rich foods like fruits and vegetables. These foods provide not only hydration, but also essential vitamins and minerals. Be mindful of beverages that can actually dehydrate you, such as excessive coffee or sugary drinks. These can act as diuretics or lead to sugar crashes, counteracting your hydration efforts. The smiling woman in a white doctor's coat with a stethoscope around her neck, standing with her arms crossed, embodies the trusted guidance we seek for our health. Making proper hydration a consistent habit can significantly enhance your vitality, cognitive function, and overall well being as you navigate life over 50. Embrace the hidden power of water and unlock a more energetic and healthier future.
Welcome back to our series on natural vitality for men over 50, where today we explore the powerful and often underestimated connection between optimal hydration and sufficient oxygen intake. These two fundamental elements are truly the twin engines of vitality, working in perfect tandem to fuel every single cell and system within your body, ensuring peak performance and sustained energy levels. Proper hydration is absolutely crucial as it ensures your blood maintains an ideal viscosity, allowing it to efficiently transport life-giving oxygen, essential nutrients, and vital hormones throughout your entire body with ease. Conversely, without adequate water intake, your blood can thicken considerably, forcing your heart to work much harder and significantly reducing the effective delivery of oxygen to your vital organs and tissues, impacting overall function. This compromised circulation can manifest as persistent fatigue, a noticeable reduction in cognitive function, including memory and focus, and a general, unwelcome decline in your overall physical and mental well-being. To proactively counteract these potential effects, let's delve into the practical three-stage circulation technique, a simple yet remarkably effective method designed to optimize your body's intricate internal transport system for better health. Stage 1 of this technique involves practicing deep, diaphragmatic breathing, which not only maximizes your oxygen intake, but also gently stimulates your lymphatic flow, aiding in the crucial detoxification processes of your body. Stage 2 focuses on incorporating gentle, consistent movement, such as a brisk walk outdoors or mindful stretching exercises, to actively encourage robust blood circulation and enhance muscle oxygenation throughout your entire body. Finally, Stage 3 integrates targeted, conscious hydration, ensuring your body consistently receives the precise fluid volume it requires to fully support and amplify these crucial physiological processes, promoting cellular health. Beyond just the quantity of water, the specific temperature of the water you consume also plays a surprisingly crucial role in both your immediate hydration levels and long-term circulatory efficiency. While a glass of ice-cold water might feel instantly refreshing, lukewarm water is generally absorbed much more efficiently by your body, leading to quicker and more effective rehydration at a fundamental cellular level. This particular benefit of consuming lukewarm water can be especially advantageous for men over 50, as digestive and circulatory systems may naturally become somewhat less robust and efficient with advancing age. Crucially, beyond plain water, electrolytes are absolutely vital for maintaining optimal fluid balance, supporting healthy nerve signal transmission, and ensuring proper muscle function throughout your entire body systems. Essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium work synergistically to meticulously regulate cellular hydration and facilitate the precise electrical impulses necessary for countless vital bodily functions, from heart rhythm to brain activity. Therefore, it is highly recommended to actively consider incorporating electrolyte-rich foods into your daily diet, such as leafy greens and fruits, or supplementing with a high-quality electrolyte product as part of your daily wellness routine. Moving forward, let's now explore some more advanced and nuanced hydration strategies specifically tailored for achieving and sustaining long-term vitality, enhanced energy, and overall well-being as you age gracefully. One highly effective advanced strategy is known as prehydration, which involves consciously drinking water before you even begin to feel thirsty, particularly prior to any physical activity, exercise, or prolonged exertion. Another intriguing concept is structured water, which some proponents believe possesses a more organized molecular structure, potentially enhancing its absorption and utilization at the cellular level for improved hydration benefits. While scientific research into the specific benefits of structured water is still evolving, the foundational principle of consistently focusing on consuming pure, clean, and uncontaminated water remains absolutely paramount for optimal health. Above all, remember that unwavering consistency is the ultimate key to success. Make mindful hydration a deliberate and integrated practice throughout every single day of your life, making it a habit. By consciously and consistently integrating these powerful hydration and oxygen strategies into your daily lifestyle, you actively empower your body to function at its absolute peak performance, feeling more energetic and vibrant. This comprehensive, holistic approach supports not only your robust physical health and sustained energy levels, but also significantly enhances your mental clarity, focus, and overall emotional balance, contributing to a better quality of life. Embrace water and oxygen as your most steadfast allies in maintaining truly robust vitality, ensuring you thrive and flourish well into your golden years with sustained energy, mental sharpness, and overall well-being. Thank you for joining us on this vital exploration of hydration and oxygen. Stay consistently hydrated, breathe deeply and mindfully, and continue your proactive journey towards achieving optimal, lasting health and vitality.